welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making Maja Blanca.
Who's with you? Who's
My
cooking
grandma.
with you? Ah, there you go.
Okay.
So
Tell them the ingredients.
yeah, first we need some cornstarch. And we need granulated sugar.
And be careful.
Then we need sweet condensed milk,
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
evaporated milk, coconut
Be
milk.
careful. Be careful. Don't do that.
We
Don't
got-
shake it. It's already open.
We got
Sweet
co-
Sweet
corn.
Both sweet corn and creamy.
Sweet
Creamy
corn
corn.
and creamy.
cream corn. Yeah.
Then first,
And then we need a bowl, a measuring cup,
and
which
then
is gonna be 1 cup. So let's get started in the video.
okay.
So what we're gonna be needing
This
first.
one. Cornstarch. Cornstarch first.
Yung cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
We're gonna be opening this, but how?
Oh.
Now we're gonna be doing these. See those
Let me
lines?
do it.
See those lines? We need scissors.
No, you don't. Stay right like this.
I guess we need 1 cup of everything.
1 cup. That is hindi ka. You have to make it.
One.
Sino? Manatira mo din ko.
That's a lot.
Sure, dalawang tray.
Osh! Okay, okay.
While that happens,
Dalawang tray na yan.
cornstarch feels
Dalawang tray
cornstarch
niya.
feels so weird.
Okay. That's one,
Cornstarch
never
feels
mind,
so
never
weird.
mind.
Cornstarch feels
Dalhin
so
namin
weird.
bukas
I don't know
sa-
why.
Big Bear yung isa. Gusto niyo yung dala.
Our hands are dirty, but it's okay. Next, we're gonna pour the water. Is it hot?
No, it's not hot.
Cold.
Use cold water. Hot. Okay.
So you're mixing the water with the starch.
Did you know you can make
Cornstarch?
oobleck? Water,
What?
cornstarch equals oobleck. Oobleck. It's like this type of slime where you hold it and it like it's hard. But when you let
It's
it
a
out,
slime.
that's a type of slime. We even made it right now. Out, it will melt. Squeeze it hard.
After you
Let it
mix,
out, melt.
put it aside and prepare the pan.
There's like
Come on, don't do that.
there's still
Put on your
something
hands
in
now.
it.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
Not too big. Mark,
Yeah.
pour the coconut.
What's that? That's the coconut milk.
Lathering. And that looks gross.
Malamig. Diba?
Evaporated milk.
Diba?
We're using a pot. We're using a faux pot.
Condensed milk.
Just like on there.
Ay.
So I just like eating condensed milk. My favorite.
Yeah, I know.
I even like eating it with bread.
Bread and scalflakes, right?
Yeah.
Remember the scalflakes?
Yeah.
Who taught you that? How to eat that? Scalflakes and condensed milk.
There's lines on there where so you can break apart and share with a friend on Skyflake.
It was mommy, huh? Who taught you?
No.
Put sugar.
Now it's sugar. You check how much sugar you put. 1 cup?
Yeah.
1.5.
1.5 cup of sugar. Okay. So you have one can of milk. I mean coconut milk. 1 can of evaporated milk. Then 1.5 cup of sugar.
Then also this salt.
You're gonna put salt to the also. Lola, salt.
Aray.
A pinch of salt, I guess. Continue. That's it.
There.
20 means
Little.
yeah.
Little.
A little.
A little. Aray. This is the cream. What do you call it? Corn.
Cream
cream.
corn.
Yeah.
I don't need to touch the thing.
That's the corn.
This is corn.
Okay.
I'm just gradually mixing it. What are we even gonna do with that?
Can put on topping. Okay.
Just let you know what we're making is my favorite.
Okay.
One of your favorite, huh?
Yeah.
Maja Blanca.
This is my favorite dessert to have. I can already smell it.
That's a lot of corn.
Yeah.
Look, is it boiling? Is it boiling?
Is it gonna splatter?
Baka mahabil na ito.
Oh, Lola will do it. Stir because it will be a heavy
I'm scared.
and hard to stir. This cornstarch will be sticky and heavy to stir.
Wait, Adi, wait, Adi. It's become sticky. No, it's become
It's sticky na enough. Oh, no, it's
No.
like
Uh,
that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's sticky. Big.
Daddy, when are we gonna do the croissants?
We're still waiting for the power. Still down. Soft. Like tasty. Say something. Medyo ano pa siya, hindi pa masyadong luto.
Mainit.
When you taste it, it tastes like starchy. It's not cooked yet. When you cook this one, you have to mix hard because it's heavy.
And you put more water.
More water.
It actually tastes that
More
good.
water.
Yeah, as you cook it, you put more water, so it doesn't get sticky on you and will be hard for you to mix. What's it?
But
Good. It's not even cooked.
it's good.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We don't have turkey today.
Yeah. Wait, didn't we just buy some at Costco before?
No, I don't want a turkey because it's a lot. It's a lot of meat. It's just 4 of us to eat. I don't want to waste it. Okay, I bought a small filet mignon roast. We're gonna roast it. Still waiting for the power.
I really want turkey.
We're going to transfer it to another tray.
That one is gonna be with cheese. This one, no cheese. Okay. You gotta push this up.
You want to put cheese in that?
Sabi mo kanina ayaw mo.
You have to put another corn on it.
But what will this extra one be for? What will this one be for? What will this one be for? Let's think. Maybe this one could be with pineapple?
So this one has cheese. The other one is not. Okay.
Wait, this one has extra corn?
Yeah, both trays have corn.
Do it. Do it.
Go.
Then how about this? This temperature.
We're not going to use that on this one.
What about this extra one? What is it gonna be for?
Yeah, we'll put it in the fridge to cool down.
Don't drop it. Drop it. Okay, guys. So we left this Maja Blanca at the fridge overnight. So now we're gonna try it. Okay, this is my favorite. Let's just get a little bit of corn. So as I said, this is my favorite Filipino dessert of all time, so let's try it. That's good. It's hard to turn it with a spoon, so I would recommend you using a fork.
Say bye now. We're
Bye.
going to a trip. For them to follow you. Aww.
We're going on a trip, and you guys are gonna follow us.
Going to the mountain. We're going to spend our Thanksgiving weekend in the mountain with friends. Yeah?
Yep. called Branimir. I'll give a shout out to them. And we'll see you when we get
When you get there.
when we get there.